Let's create the Montessori corner toy shelf. Place C on your work surface. Ensure the curved edge is facing down. Install the shelves B as shown. Apply wood glue along all joints. Make sure it's a thin amount. Now you will install the right side, which is piece D. You'll use the male and female joints to secure it, and a rubber mallet or hammer wrapped in cloth is super helpful at this point. Ensure the countersink pilot holes are on the outside. As you install all pieces together, you'll then install the wood screws in all pilot hole locations. Install the bottom piece, which is piece A. Ensure the curved edge is facing outward. Carefully rotate the piece to install the top. Install top piece A, once again ensuring that the curved edge is facing outward. Install all remaining wood screws into pilot holes. We recommend letting the wood glue set for 24 hours before enjoying.